Veteran Telugu actor Chiranjeevi has taken a strong stand against the dark side of technology. The superstar has approached the Hyderabad cybercrime police after discovering multiple AI-generated pornographic videos using his likeness circulating online. According to reports, at least 3 deepfake videos featuring the actor's face in vulgar and compromising situations were uploaded to adult websites. These videos, allegedly monetized by unknown individuals, were created using artificial intelligence to digitally manipulate his facial features and body. Chiranjeevi described the content as obscene and malicious, calling for urgent action against those responsible. These videos are entirely fake and created using artificial intelligence, commonly referred to as deepfake pornography, which unlawfully manipulates and morphs my facial features and persona into obscene content, he said. He further added, "These manufactured clips are being maliciously used to portray me in obscene and vulgar contexts, distorting public perception and undermining decades of goodwill." The case has been registered under several serious laws, including Sections 67 and 67A of the IT Act, multiple provisions of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita (BNS), and the Indecent Representation of Women Act, 1986. Chiranjeevi has urged authorities to act swiftly, calling the offense extremely grave. Unrestricted public accessibility of these videos makes the offense extremely grave and calls for immediate blocking, takedown, and digital forensic tracing of those responsible for creating, uploading, and circulating this content. Just days earlier, the City Civil Court of Hyderabad had already issued an ad interim injunction to protect Chiranjeevi's identity. The order, passed on 26 September 2025, safeguards his name, image, voice, and likeness from unauthorized use. The court said that misuse of his persona could cause severe and irreparable harm to his reputation, dignity, and economic interests. The injunction restrains more than 30 defendants and warns media houses, OTT platforms, and content creators not to exploit the actor's identity without written consent. Highlighting the growing threat of AI-driven digital manipulation, this case sets a strong precedent, showing that even in the age of technology, dignity and identity must be protected.